SOCs Blocks is a unique program that encourages owners' corporations to use sustainable technology and practices in apartment buildings. SOCs Blocks stands for Sustainable Owners, Corporations and Blocks, and since the program started in the City of Port Phillip in 2009, nearly 50 apartment blocks have participated. All apartment blocks in the City of Port Phillip are welcome to participate in the program, and every block that does gets a free sustainability assessment. We work with owners' corporations to identify opportunities to improve a whole range of things. For example, energy efficiency of common areas and common services, improved water efficiency, reducing the amount of waste going to landfill, and general advice on how everyone living in the block can make simple changes that will reduce their own environmental footprint.
Through SOCs Blocks, a number of assessments have been done which have shown apartment buildings in inner Melbourne stand to save between 20 and 30% on their energy costs. You can go a long way of saving yourself costs by just changing how you maintain your building, and that won't cost you anything. Getting an audit done is absolutely crucial. The SOCs Blocks program is fantastic because it provides that service free of charge to interested buildings, and you can't pass that up. It's a brilliant opportunity, and it can show you exactly what your pathway to having a more sustainable building is.
Carbonetics went through how we were using energy, and we looked at how we were irrigating our garden and made some suggestions about transport, particularly encouraging bike use by having some places for people to lock their bikes to proper bike racks rather than locking them to anything you can see. We put it in the area of wasted space. It only cost us about $100, and it sat there for about a week, and then the first bike appeared, and then another one, and another one, and another one, and so it's been quite successful.
One of the surprises that came out from the audit was the payback on downlights, replacing them with LED downlights. We could pay back the investment within about 7 months, which is fantastic. You'd have to be crazy not to do it. Some of our ongoing plans, one which is just being implemented tomorrow, is a solar pool blanket. It's actually a liquid blanket rather than a physical blanket. It stops the water actually evaporating, and most of the heat that escapes from a pool is in the water that's evaporating. So we save on heating costs with the gas. We save on water because we're reducing the water, so we won't have to spend as much money maintaining it. So that was the crux, the critical thing to get over the line with that particular project.
One of the things that really stood out was how we were using our gas to heat one of the larger apartment blocks within our complex, and to have an analysis done of that whole heating system and understand how it actually functions and works, and where we could potentially save some gas there was probably the standout for us. There was a full engineering survey done of that. So in terms of the next initiatives, I guess what we're looking at is major infrastructure projects, things like solar panels, solar heating, those sorts of opportunities that we're trying to then offset some of the increases that are coming through.
We'd love to see every apartment block in the City of Port Phillip join SOCs Blocks and find out what they could be doing to reduce their environmental footprint. In fact, we'd love to see this program spreading all over Melbourne so that every apartment block can get their own free sustainability assessment. The greatest improvements happen when everyone makes a small contribution. The more we can help each other, the brighter our future will be. So if you'd like to be part of this program, please contact us at the City of Port Phillip.